Hello everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I've got the easiest Valentine's Day decoration for you that you can make. And when I tell you it's easy, it is incredibly easy. Today we're making these adorable candlesticks using tattoos, and bows are still all the rage, and I'm so here for it. So let me show you the very simple way to update any candlestick for any season. Today we're focusing on Valentine's Day and we're gonna be using bows. Thank you so much for following along today. I hope you feel inspired to add a little extra whimsy and pretty to your decorations this year. Valentine's Day is a really fun holiday to play with because it is unexpected, and honestly, anything you do is going to be delightful. So if you have any questions, my messages are always open. I'm happy to answer them. If you found this helpful, please let me know. I would love for you to subscribe. And I've got so many more tutorials over at countrypeony.com. I'd love to have you there. Thank you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day.